Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. I'll leave you all those links down below. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Today I am back with an unboxing video on a gorgeous handbag from HandbagCrave. I got this in the mail about a week ago, and you guys, I haven't opened it. I am dying to share with you and reveal my new handbag to add to my handbag collection. And if you guys are not familiar with HandbagCrave, they have amazing high quality handbags made out of really good leather, and the quality on these handbags are very comparable to high-end brands such as the Birkins. You guys know those are super expensive, and these are only at a fraction of a cost with the same quality leather and beautiful details. So can't wait to open this, and here it is. It's a pretty big box. So this company is based off of UK. It is a family-owned business, and they have many gorgeous styles on their website. It took me forever to choose one that I wanted because all of their bags are gorgeous. And you guys know I love handbags. So let me show you. So excited, you guys. Okay, so this is the inside. It comes packaged so nicely. It says here, thank you for shopping with us, handbagcrave.com. That is the website. And I will list the exact name of my purse down there below if you guys are interested in getting the same one. But here it is, you guys. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's pretty big, and I am dying to see what this bag looks and feels like. So there are two little twillies to add to the handbag, and many of their handbags come with the twillies. So that is like a really nice detail that they add, and it comes in a dust bag. So it also comes protected with this cardboard here to protect the leather. And it does have a little tag. It says HandbagCrave, but you guys, everything in this bag is so luxurious. Like, it feels incredible. It's super soft. It is made out of cowhide leather, and it's just super soft. It's like a pebbled leather, and I love this color. You guys, I don't have any handbag. You guys know I love pink. So most of my handbags are pink, but I decided to get something just a little bit different that I could use for the fall and winter, and this is just like the perfect color. So it does have a little padlock right here, but as you can see, they package everything so nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this here from the handles, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I took that off the handle so you can appreciate the purse better, but I am loving this handbag already. I'm loving the color, everything. And wait till I show you guys the inside of the bag. So even like the hardware comes like protected with this like plastic so that it doesn't scratch. So the way you open this is by twisting the little padlock like this. And then you open the little flap. Oh my gosh, you guys are ready. I am loving the color already. Just gonna take off this part. It is this beautiful like bubblegum pink on the interior. You guys, it's so pretty. I am loving this, and I love how they like include this here to just keep it like in shape. And I just dropped something. Let me see what I dropped. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how stunning this is. They also include this little pony keychain that you can add to your purse. This is like so adorable, and it has like the hot pink to go with the interior of the purse. I am loving this. So the little twillies that they included, you can add them to like the sides of the handles, and then you can add the little pony. This is so adorable. I am loving it. So the inside is pretty spacious. Look how beautiful it is. It's like super big. It does have a little zipper compartment. The zipper opens quite nicely. It's very smooth. And on the other side, there's another little compartment without a zipper. So the strap inside also comes with this little key to open the padlock. Look how cute this is. This is adorable. And even the inside is hot pink. I am definitely loving this bag. So I'm going to show you guys up close and in detail more about this purse and just how it looks on when it's styled. So here is my new gorgeous adorable purse. I am loving this purse so much. I love the color combination of the purse and the little pony. I just feel like it just makes it stand out more, and I love the combination on this. It also comes with its own little lock that you can use to lock your purse, and it does have the little key, which is right in here. And I also love the fact that they include the little twillies if you want to add them to the handles of your purse so that they don't get damaged. But overall, I think this purse is amazing. The stitching on the purse is so incredibly nice. It's so perfect. Very, very beautiful. Very good quality. And I also love the fact that it has the little feet on the bottom. Plus, it does come with its own strap that you can use as a crossbody or shoulder bag. I must say that my favorite part about the purse is the fact that the interior is in this gorgeous bubblegum pink. Love that about the purse. And as you can see on the inside, it is super spacious. You can fit so much in here. It's also made out of this really, really good quality. And I just love that combination. So that was it for my unboxing on my new beautiful handbag. Let me know in the comments down there below what you guys think. I am truly loving this bag so much. I think this is going to be perfect for the fall and winter time. I just love the details on the purse. It feels extremely soft, high quality leather. And I also love the fact that it has little tiny feet on the bottom so that you can stand it. But so far, you guys, I am super thrilled with my new handbag, and I hope you guys love this video. I'll leave you the exact link to my new purse down there below so you guys can check it out. It's HandbagCrave.com. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week. Bye!